Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Coca-Cola made a machine that instantly turns your soda into frozen slush.
Oh, whoa. That was a cool. Okay, that was cool. Whoa.
If you take a lit match and place it inside of a microwave, you can create plasma.
Come on, come on. Here we go.
Jäklar, kolla där uppe.
Plasma can also be created by microwaving grapes. Scientists put small light bulbs all over this fake arm to see if an electric eel could turn them on. In South American countries such as Colombia and Brazil, you'll see people perform at red lights. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!